Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the port and cable so you avoid damage and wasted time. Look at port markings or your PC specs to confirm data versus Power or Thunderbolt. That tells you capabilities and limits. Inspect the cable for ratings like USB 3.1, USB 4, or PD60W/100W. This explains speed and charging behavior. Once done, orient the reversible connector and align it with the port. Insert gently until you feel a click or resistance give to ensure a clean connection. Once the cable is seated, you verify the link so data and power behave as expected. Check for immediate OS notifications that confirm the device type and whether charging or file access is active. That tells you if the port negotiated correctly. Make sure to open Device Manager or System Information to confirm link speed and device class. If a dock, network adapter, or Thunderbolt peripheral doesn't appear, install or update the vendor driver or firmware. This resolves most mid-process connectivity issues. Finish by validating real-world behavior so you know the setup is reliable. Transfer a typical file and monitor charging to confirm expected speeds and thermal behavior. That proves end-to-end functionality. If something fails, swap to another cable or port to isolate whether the cable, port, or device is at fault. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset system power management, SMC/UEFI, or reinstall drivers. This often clears negotiation faults between USB power delivery, data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.